Hi guys. So just now it's Ramadan. So it is tradition to break your fast with a date. So it just so happens that my favourite cake has dates in it. It's an easy recipe for kids that only needs a little bit of adult help. Remember the magic number, 150, because you will need 150 grams of butter, 150 grams of light brown Muscovado sugar, and 150 grams of chopped up dates. You will also need 175 grams of self-rising flour and 2 beaten eggs. Now this is a date to make the date cake. Get an adult to help you pour 125 ml of boiling water over the dates and let them soak for 10 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda to the sloppy date mixture and mix with a spoon. It will fizz up and froth to look like this. So set it aside and let's get a new clean bowl to make the cake mixture. Now add your softened butter into the bowl, followed by the sugar. Now we're ready to mix. You could use an electric mixer, but I'm just going to mix it by hand. So this is what it should look like. It looks a bit like peanut butter. It's a really nice smooth paste. So there's 2 beaten eggs. It should look like this now. Once you've added the eggs, you want to just beat it like you did before the eggs. So now I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here it goes. Okay. Oh, a bit. Now you want to mix your vanilla extract in. Some flour. Now you need to fold this in. So folding is basically you just put it in nice and carefully. So once it looks like this, the folding should take up to 5 minutes. Remember, don't rush it because then you'll lose all the airiness, and the airiness will give it a lovely big fluffy cake. So now once you're finished folding, you want to take your date mixture that we made first and drop it in. So you want to start mixing it in after you've added all the date mixture in, and once it's all nicely mixed in, just like this, let's get it grown up to help you go into the oven.